Leads for a multimeter or a multimeter, which there's sundry different types, this being one, but there are many different types according to manufacturers. Basically, they test volts, they test ohms, they may test continuity, they may test capacitors. It depends on how elaborate your unit is, and there's some that actually test temperature as well. So, question: when one plugs these into the top, they have this lead and this lead. Okay, normally there are two little I don't know if prongs are the correct word, but two little leads here for all intents and purposes. Maybe a hot and then one for that. So you can test either 120, 240, or low voltage, 24 volts. Question: now we go here to the left and we have the same gizmo here, and we have two alligator clips on here. So the question would be, well, why would you need these? Say, for instance, hypothetically, you were doing something and you had a wire hanging here as opposed to just here, and you needed to free up a hand, as long as it's low voltage. But now, my personal opinion, I wouldn't use it for high voltage, but the alligator clips can clip and free your hand up. So it can hold on to the wire. Then you could put the other one onto another wire if you were testing ohms. This would be more, in my opinion, for low voltage, with the alligator clips here with your that would replace the leads here. So, and then they may make one that's very lead that on the end where it's got the little pointed metal where it's very fine. So if you're back probing something, you can back probe it too. Say, for instance, if you were going into the back of a, I don't know if Molex plug would be the correct word, but if you were just pushing it in there, so the metal would be maybe even a smaller metal than this. But so this is the normal scenario here. You have one you plug into your multimeter, the second one, and then you've got your test leads here. The second one for low voltage would be the same way, but would have the alligator clips on it. Would be, my opinion, this would be used for low voltage, not high voltage. But if you're in a low voltage situation, maybe 24 volts or less, and you had a situation that that you needed to clip them on to free your hands up, this may help you out. Still, it's not a bad idea to wear rubber gloves and to make sure that you use proper precaution. But this may free your hands up if you do it this way. And again, this would be for more low voltage, in my opinion. Then I would not use this on high voltage, but this could be used on low or high voltage. But if you have to just sit here and hold these, it can become very cumbersome. So if you need to free your hands up, for instance, if you're doing something and you needed a low voltage wire here, and then you just basically went over here and say hypothetically clip this onto this wire, then you take the other one, clip it onto another wire if you're ohming it out or whatever, and it may just make things less cumbersome, at least free two hands up, so that you don't sit here and have to hold the leads to the electrical, whatever you're doing, either ohming, volts, or whatnot. So anyway, electrical leads for multimeter or multimeter for electrical or heating and air, etc. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.